First of all, welcome to Citrix. Thanks for coming in today, Tony. It's great. So a little bit about the market and Citrix. Citrix as a whole has actually really been transitioning over the last 18 months from an on-prem provider to a SaaS cloud-based provider. And in doing that, we've really been rebuilding the business and rebuilding the business on a global scale to really make sure that we're providing outcomes for organizations who are focused in some key areas, focused on employee experience, focused on providing hybrid working in a secure remote manner, focused on talent acquisition and talent retention, because every survey that we've done has shown that new talent wants to make sure that they have the flexibility of where they work and the security around how they work. So we've really been focused on that, and in doing so, what we've been doing here locally is rebuilding our team. And not only rebuilding our team, as you probably know, Tony, both Niels and I are fairly new in our positions, both of us about 6 months now on the job. So not only rebuilding our team, but rebuilding our focus. And one of the focuses, the primary focus that we've been really executing on is the channel. So how do we rebuild the focus and reconnect with the channel to be successful in the marketplace? So that's been a big focus of ours. And I think in order for us to do that and to be successful there, I think what we need to do is make sure the channel knows all about the new Citrix. And that's what today's all about, is getting you started, getting you on that path, getting the channel to get a better understanding of what we do and how we're doing it today versus the Citrix of 20 years ago, and then opening an invitation for all of you to come and talk to us.
Citrix is so well known in the market, and particularly in Australia and New Zealand, every time you go to go and see a health provider, Citrix is involved in some sort of fashion in that environment. When you get on a train or get on a bus, Citrix is the force that sits behind us. But, we have grown so much over the last couple of years, in particular over the last 3 to 5 years, so much innovation and transformation has been driven. And we need to make sure that we take our customers and our partners on that journey. So it is really important that we drive that focus and we make people aware of where it is we're going.
The most recent and the biggest acquisition actually that Citrix has done for quite some time is we acquired Rike, which is a workspace collaboration management platform, and very exciting, right? And the reason being is as we want to enhance the work experience, as we want to enhance the capability of collaboration in the workspace, and we want to actually really promote that anywhere, anytime, any device atmosphere, being able to have a platform that gives you the capability to track it, fast track it, as well as utilize the skills of project management, making sure that you're finishing your projects on time, on budget, and the teams are collaborating in an effective manner, is very exciting for us. What the Rike acquisition also does is gives us a capability to go have conversations with our customers and different folks in different business units within our customers that we've never had an opportunity to go speak to before. So it really gives us the opportunity to start going wider and deeper in our customer base and sharing with those folks the experience that they can obtain by going with Citrix or working with Citrix on their digital transformation.
You know what, Tony, and just to add to Martin as well, we are challenged as all industries in the market today of this new world that we're finding ourselves in. I mean, every aspect of it, we are challenged. And I think this is where Citrix is so uniquely positioned in the market today to actually help our customers and our partners on that digital transformation journey. And to Martin's point he made, that really driving the emphasis in easily providing that any application on any device, on any cloud platform is so important. But at the same time, the two critical aspects of that is, how do we do that securely? How do I protect my employees working everywhere? But at the same time also providing them that security as the provider to make sure that my employees are actually safe wherever they work and my data is safe. But also, how do I do that in an optimized fashion?
EBC actually stands for, of course, Executive Briefing Center, but what we're doing now, Tony, is we're actually trying to shift that view a little bit, right? Yes, this is our Executive Briefing Center, but we are actually really now referring to it as our Experience Center. And the reason why we're referring to it as our Experience Center is because that's what we want our partners and customers to do. We want them to come in here, get immersed in the innovation, immersed in the technology, and really experience what Citrix can provide for our customers and partners today in the work environment, the collaboration environment, and the remote working environment, and so on.
I think for me, what is really the crux of, in particular, utilizing the Experience Center, rather than just, hey, I'm coming to your office, I'm going to do a presentation for you around speeds and feeds, is the Experience Center. One, it is part of the Global Experience Center, so we've got a lot of leverage in people, skill set, and the process that sits behind this Experience Center. But the important part is this is a custom-made experience that is then produced to you as the partner and or the customer. Because this is not only just for our customers, it's here for our partners. We use it as an enablement tool, but we also use it as a tool to really, to Martin's point, is making sure customers and partners come and experience it, but immerse themselves in the true feel of what it is that we actually do. Come and feel it. Come and feel what employee experience feels like. Come and feel what it feels like to utilize Citrix on any device. Now we've got multiple devices here that you can come and feel it. So, you know, that's really important, but we've got such a proven high rate of winning opportunities and deals with customers when we bring them in here. Because customers can actually relate to it, and they can feel it, and they can immerse themselves in that experience, and it's so much easier to imagine the possibilities.
There's a famous poet called Maya Angelou. I'm not sure if you've ever heard of Maya Angelou, but a famous American poet, and what she's always said is you may or may not remember what somebody has said to you, but you'll always remember how they made you feel. And that is all about experience, right? If we experience something and we feel it and we're immersed in it, then we believe in it. And if we believe in it, then it's much easier for us to go out and tell the story and share those experiences with our customers, with our partners, and let them know how they can also take part, how they can get that experience, and how that experience will provide better outcomes for them. So welcome to the Citrix Experience Center.